Guys, so basically throughout our forest there's tons of cool trees that we can go on, so we're gonna go on those trees and we're gonna do parkour on the trees. What do you have to say? Parkour on trees.
Enjoy.
Perfect. It is extremely foggy. There's no blue anywhere. So
we're gonna go to the tables and do stuff because it's under like a roof, so it's not wet. But oh yeah, let's go.
already got a nice knee clip. I didn't even see.
I was just trying to
You're
do it.
always getting knee clips. So because it's the winter, it's 5:10 right now. The sun sets at maybe what, like 5:30. So we're gonna try to get some stuff quickly. I'm gonna try to get this line first try. Let's go.
Yes.
Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Oh, you're still going.
A couple days later.
I've hung over a picnic table. Oh, what the? Oh my God, let's go! That was amazing.
Just you need some gas on.
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.